favorite summer ends, I want to show you a few interesting summertime treats. So I have one miniature size watermelon and I cut the sides just to make sure they sit properly because we're going to pour something in those. And I'm going to remove the... And I have a unhappy customer. Okay, here you go. Okay. And I'm going to kind of slice it into chunks. We're going to blend this into your blender. And this will be both for children and for parents. And this is, we're starting with children, of course. This will be an icy, watermelon icy for the kids. And something with watermelon for us parents. Alright, just kind of remove every possible red part and leave some in there, of course. This is here. So this looks nice. To this I'm going to add some ice, probably 2 cups or so. And I'm sure the watermelon is very sweet, but extra sweetness won't bother, so I'm going to add some agave and blend this until it's chunky, icy consistency, some mixture. This is ready for the kids. They can go and enjoy their icy smoothie. It's not smoothie, more of a icy, I'd say. I've got quite a lot of ice in there. And my children, they don't like any additional anything with their food or drinks. So I'm just gonna pop a few ice drops in there to keep it cool. A few of these big straws like this, and they like to eat that ice, and a few spoons for them to enjoy the ice. And I poured way too much, so I'll remove some. And just pour the rest of it. It's not gonna go to waste for sure. You can pour the rest into cups for them to enjoy later, or this is almost ready. I'll just pop a few ice drops in there. And I froze some juice with blueberries just to give it a design. I'm going to just pop this in there to keep it nice and cool, and plus it's juice. They may decide to eat the berries if it's with the juice, although they like berries. So the kids one is ready, so I'm just gonna give this to them to enjoy and continue on ours. This will be for parents, and just as you did the first one, you're going to scoop out the watermelon and be sure not to poke the bottom so it doesn't spill. Just kind of remove, and I wouldn't put the entire watermelon in there because we're going to add something else on top. So I'll probably save this for later to eat, and just kind of clean it inside. So this looks okay. Alright, and this will go into processor. And I'm adding some tequila. Depending how strong you want your cocktail, go from there. So not too strong because it's daytime and we still have things to do. So probably 2-3 shots of tequila and 2 limes. I believe 2 should be enough. If you want to make it with more, make it with more. And this will go in there just to taste. If you like mint leaves, a couple of those, and this is ready. Oh, I forgot something. Yeah, and margarita mix. a splash. That's a big splash. That's it, and this will go to mix. Alright, so this will go in its place. A little bit left over, we can use it, and a tiny splash won't bother, just to give it more dosage. Okay, and if you like to decorate it with somehow with different kind of straws and decorations, feel free. I'm just gonna pop a few ice cubes in there to keep it cold, and a few of these berry filled ice, not too many. And that's it. For the design, a few leaves of mint, and I think this looks perfect. I will leave detailed description because I don't really think you guys need a recipe for something like this. This was just a fun idea I thought I'd share. So if you like the video, thumbs up. Didn't subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.